Hello everyone, in this episode of Smart Life we'll cover the top 5 models available in the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, popularity, price and more. I've included options for every type of buyer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. Please check the link in the description below for more details. Let's dive into the video.
If you are looking for best dash cams, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Apeman Dashcam 1080p. The camera lens records 1080p video footage and audio in a continuous loop recording on a 32GB micro SD card. The dash camera's ultra-wide-angle lens gives a great viewing angle and detects and saves footage of car collisions automatically. It uses that same motion detection sensor recording tech when the car is parked to detect if someone backs into or tampers with your vehicle. The 3-inch LCD on the back is used for aiming the camera's field of view, reviewing camera footage. This wide-angle lens camera can be easily mounted on your car windshield with its suction cup. Number 2. Vantru N2 Pro Uber Dual 1080p Dash Cam. If you want to record the interior of your car as you drive, we recommend the Vantru N2 Pro, which has a camera that records the view in front of the car and another one that faces the interior, a handy setup for ride-for-hire drivers who want to document their passengers. The front camera recording in 1080p resolution provides good overall image quality, although it's not as sharp as that of our single-cam pics. Full 18 meters warranty, and the rear-facing camera lets you see all passengers, even in total darkness. Number 3. Garmin 010-0206200 Dash Cam Mini. If you prefer a dash cam that people likely won't notice, we recommend the Garmin Dash Cam Mini, which is one of the smallest and most discreet models we've tested. About the size of a key fob, the Mini virtually disappears on the windshield. Still, it provides surprisingly good video quality for a 1080p model, and it's easy to pop on and off of its adhesive mount. Because the Mini has only 2 physical buttons and no display, though, you have to use Garmin's smartphone app to view video, to adjust settings, and even just to aim the camera properly. Number 4. Nextbase 422GW Dash Cam. If you can't get the 522GW, or just want a slightly smaller model, we recommend the Nextbase 422GW. 2.5 IPS HD touchscreen for enhanced ease of use while on the road. The 422GW is similar to the 522GW in video quality but is a little smaller and usually less expensive. It doesn't come with a polarizing filter that gives you the same excellent video image and most of the same features, but it's more compact, with a smaller touchscreen display. It also usually costs less, and it lacks only the polarizing filter. Number 5. Viofo A129 Pro Duo 4K Dual Dash Cam. The front camera is excellent. The lens has an 8.29MP Sony Exmor R Starvis image sensor to deliver crystal clear 4K UHD video quality at 30 fps. Ultra high definition is 4x more vivid than 1080p Full HD, and the video recording quality is definitely a much welcomed upgrade. Advanced video enhancement technologies including wide dynamic range, WDR and super night vision. With the A129 Pro, the A129 Pro does have a smaller viewing field at 130 degrees. In return, you get 4x the video quality, so it's really not a bad trade-off.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.